Excuse. She said, take a picture of the
Bring
famous.
pencils. Pencils is a... Hello, we want to see your baby. This is the second day of the baby.
Lily, look at Lily. She's wondering what.
Pencils.
Second day.
She said, take a photo with me. I'm famous.
Just want. Can we show your baby, Lily?
You saw the back there. Side. Hi, Lily. She's not biting
Here,
me.
here.
Hi, Liana. Umar, Liana wants to bite your hair.
Liana, you always do that.
This is the second day. Lily, can we show the baby, please?
Please,
She's
please.
thinking.
Lily, how many eggs? How many hatch now?
No, she doesn't know how many.
This is the second day. We want to see the progress of the baby, Lily, please.
Pretty please.
Lily,
Pretty please.
don't move my hand, baby. Ah, I saw the baby. Yeah. You saw it? You saw it? Under here.
Liana always want to bite my
Baby,
hair.
go out there. Go out. I saw the baby. You saw it? It's under her. Still the egg. Don't move my hand, please. You see? You saw it. You saw the baby? Oh, this is the second day. You saw the baby. Now you show it to us. Thank you,
under.
Layli. Now we want to see
Hi, baby.
The whole body,
the third one, the second one, when it will be hatching.
I saw the baby. It's right under her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. This is the second day of the baby. So the mother's still inside. He's so kind to me, Lily. Okay. So now we are waiting for the second baby. Okay, the hatching of the second. This is the second day of the baby. Wow, so small. He's hiding here. Still no.
I
egg
saw
one.
the.
Okay, bye-bye, Lily. We're not disturbing you anymore.
She likes to be in the video.
Hello, guys. We saw... Remove your light. Remove your light. We saw the second baby. So, this is the 20th day. And the second baby is the first day. So small. I saw it, but it's not showing.
There's
Just a
2 more
second.
eggs.
Yes. We have only 4 eggs. But I saw already the second baby. And the problem, he is not moving out.
Excuse me, Lily. May I see your baby?
You saw that he hid it. We have second.
Oh, she's on the side. The baby's on the side.
Yeah.
The baby's on the side. It's
So
in
we
front
have
of her.
2 baby. The first baby is a 2-year-old. And the second baby is just now the first
1 year.
1 day.
Day one.
1 day one. So Lily, that's why today she didn't go out. Whole day she is still here, not going.
She's in my baby's.
Maybe you are pressing this.
Hi, Lily.
Hello, Lily. We want to see the second baby.
She said her second baby is her papa.
She's not going out. Let's
She's
see.
just arranging.
Yeah. Yes, that one. You saw the second baby. Wow, this is the first baby that we saw. The second baby, it's completely so small, not yet standing at all. But that one, the bigger one, is the second one, the first baby. Okay, where's the other one? It's completely baby. It's not moving, nothing at all.
No,
Lily?
he's trying to stand up now. He can stand up a little time.
Yeah.
He learned.
He pushed her, but I cannot touch Lily. Let's see. How is it? He's not let us allow us to see. She hide it. But so small, smaller than that one. That one, the first baby. The second baby, it's so small. I think just now it's hatch. Just now it's hatch, the baby. But I cannot see. Okay, this just now it's hatch, the baby. You see, we just take it out from that. Okay, we leave her. Maybe she will be upset and broke the rest of the egg because she has still 2 more egg.
And she has
Maybe
2
after
kids
2
already.
days it will be hatch because the difference of each eggs, I think more than 4 or 3. Let's see how is it.
Oh,
The old baby is the 3rd one. You saw the other one is the 3rd.
He's under her.
Yeah, you cannot see it well. It's under her, and the other one is the 2nd day. So, hello Lily. Please show it to us, our baby Bailey. And the total days of hatching of the other babies, maybe because it's but the egg like 21 days now. The rest not 21. It will be differently. She completely covered the baby, but we have still 2 egg remaining. So the 2 egg maybe still 17 days.
Can you move and show us
But
the
totally
baby?
she is hatching 21 days. The other baby is 2nd day. I want to see the 2nd day,
I
but
saw
she
one
is
egg.
not.
I saw one egg on the front.
Yeah, and the other one is the 3rd day. She was eating, but we disturbed her. She knows I'm going here. Hello, Lily. The kangkong is coming. You want kangkong, Lily?
Yeah, kangkong.
Mm-hmm.
Kangkong.
She is not okay.
That much
She
interest.
doesn't like. No. Okay. Bye, Lily.
Really?
She's hello, baby. I want to see only Lily. Lily, I want to see your baby. This is the 4th day for the first one. You saw it. It's the 4th day. And the other one is the 2nd day. 2nd day, right, Jamal? I forgot to write it. Lily, Lily, show it to us, our baby. He doesn't like to show it.
She show it to you.
Yeah, thank you, Lily. Good girl, Lily. Show the other one, Lily. How about the other one, Lily? He hide it. The other one, Lily, the big one. Lily, show it to me, the other one. He knows, huh?
You hide it.
Bye-bye, Lily. Okay, not disturbing you. Hello, Lily. Can we meet? Oh, wow, it's 3 now. It's the 5th day.
They're so big.
And then the other one is the 4th day. And the other one was yesterday. It's the 2nd day. Wow. Congratulations, Lily. You have 3 babies.
Congrats. I knew
Papa,
it.
tell Papa. It's 3 babies. Wow. Hello, babies. Yesterday, I didn't see them. But now they're become big. So, each one has 1 day. So, the oldest one is 5th, and then 4th, and then 2nd day. Now, still 1 more egg has to hatch. Sorry, but we cannot see all the day of hatching.
Hi, Lily. Nice to meet you.
Now we have 3 babies. You saw the babies we have. The oldest one was the
It's drinking
5th day. The 2nd baby is the
Hi,
4th
Lily.
day.
She's looking at the
And the
camera.
3rd baby is when? 2 days old, I think. Now we have only missing 1 egg left. Oh, it is the new baby, the 2nd day. The 2 days so small. You saw?
Cute.
And the other one.
Hey, it's a yellow
They
feather.
don't like yellow feather.
Uh,
Oh, they're angry to me, ah. So you saw the guys, how
they're
cute.
so
They
small
saw.
and cute. Oh, now she's
They are
feeding them.
afraid for the sun.
Yeah,
For the
Lily's
light.
covering that one.
You see the babies. You have new babies. It's 2 days old. This 2 days old. Bye, Lily.
Off the
She
light.
doesn't like
Remove
to
the light.
go.
That's what.
Hi, Lily. Remove
No,
the
it's
light.
okay. I cannot remove it. No.
No,
These are our babies. The biggest is the 9 days. The second one is 8 days, and the babies was the 4 days. So still remaining one more egg. So we are waiting for one more egg. Oh, so cute they are. See, they want to warm themselves. Each one they want to warm themselves.
You have already.
Yeah, the other one has already air. One day
You have to
only.
be hurrying.
The 10th day of the big one, and the other one is 9th day, and the other one is the 6th day. See? Oh, the other egg not yet hatched. You saw the other egg not hatched.
She said, hey. Maybe not yet this time.
This is the progress of the babies. So it's a 10th day. It's the 10th day of the babies.
And then
9th and the 5th day.
she will look and then.
So they enjoy. They are hugging each other. Wow, the other one have wings already. The big one. You see the big one? Wow. This is the big one. Oh,
She's
one
looking-
egg more. I think the egg
She's
is not
checking
yet.
if you're touching the baby, Mama.
No, I will not touch her baby.
She's afraid. She's afraid of the cup.
He
See, she didn't go.
enjoy.
Hi, Wee. Hi, Wee.
So we'll check
Wee.
the kids of her. It's the biggest was 11, 10, and 7 years old. Let's see. It's
She's watching if you're touching her baby. She doesn't.
okay.
She might.
So 11 years, the biggest.
11.
11 days. Sorry, not
She
11
allowed
years. Again, years. 11 days. 10 days and 7 days, the smallest one. So the other egg still not hatched. We try to clean up this one. Hello, wow, it's moving. So if you saw it, they are all together.
They like to be together.
They're warning themselves, yeah.
Leave us alone to not.
Because their mother, they want to
She's
bring
hungry.
food. Yes.
Baba, try to let Lily come. When he put his wing up.
Yeah. So
This
let's
is
see.
it.
That's the 11 days old.
Yes, the one bigger is the 11. He has
Yeah.
wings already. So he will be the oldest. Max, but
Yes.
my Liana said, "Can I see the photo, please?" Liana is also watching. Mama, Liana is watching from you.
So the tree still not see the
She's
baby.
Liana is so cute. Liana already saw it when she is out.
Liana, no, she didn't see it.
No, when she come
Wow.
here, she saw it.
You see the youngest one, the 7 years old.
7 days.
7 days pala, no? 7. What's wrong with me? I make it here. Ay! The mother angry already to me. See?
So to attack you, huh?
She said that's enough time.
Enough time, Lily? I have no kangkong. You're not happy for my kangkong?